Today's lesson, how to draw a cartoon Black Widow. Hey, and welcome to my series on teaching you how to draw a cartoon. This is John-Marc, and I'm going to be teaching you how to draw a Black Widow, one of my pop style cartoons that I have several different characters done, close to like 30 or so. I'm going to work on some more. I create this head first, the basic body, and the straight legs. And what I did here is made their heads perfectly circle and have their crosshair on. That's the signature of that little pop style that I created. Anyway, so let's get back to the project right now. And right now I'm just laying out the basic shape. And from there I'm going to be building all the elements to follow up. So that crosshair in the middle, that's going to help me with my eye. So I'm going to give her that really stern look. All right, give her a nice eyebrow right there. Okay, give her some eyelashes. So what I did here is first is I create the head first, and they're basically like 2.5 circle high, most of the characters that I worked on. And from there, I actually just create the hair or the structure of the body around. Sometimes I might change. I have like an Incredible Hulk one I already did. I'm not sure which one I'll do next, but maybe Captain America. But out of this style, I've been getting a lot of positive feedbacks from a lot of Comic-Cons I went to. A lot of people like the style. So I'm going to do some more anyway. So when you're creating one of your own style, unique cartoons, think of a way that you can make them custom and easy. So this is like a gingerbread little character. Very easy, simple. The structure all the same. And from there I can just change from that point on. Like in this case, it's like the hair or what she's holding or wearing. That changes the character. But they basically have the same shape. Kind of like a Lego. That's a better way of actually saying it. It's like a Lego character. Alright, let's work on the hair now. I'm going to just create these little sharp edges with the hair. There we go. Got the center one in there. Little spikes in the backside. All right, let's get the cheek. Let's just circle that up. Let's get over here a little bit more now. There we go with the hair. Let's swing that over. So I'm looking at one of my model sheets. Not a model sheet, one of the finished drawings. I already did this one, so I'm just redoing it right now. So as I'm sketching, I'm looking at my previous drawing that I finished up and everything. That was the color one that you saw in the very beginning. All right, straight ears that I have, kind of squared edge. All right, not bad. Okay, let's get her little suit on. All right, and that's where her belt is going to be laid in place then. Her buckle. Finishing up that, and her little packs there. Alright. So sometimes what you have to do is actually go online and look at some characters, or even go to, in this case, the movie, and see what they might be wearing or looking like. And you kind of can make it up yourself, or just what we could say, just like fudge and make it look like it's really good. In this case, I kind of played up with some of the stuff that she might have had and it looked like. So some of it is from the actual movie, and other times it's just my imagination. All right, let's work on her body now a little bit more. Okay, her arms there. I got one arm behind her on a hip, and the other one just ready by the little side of her body there. Okay, let's get their little sleeve there. And when I make the hands, I make them typically like 4 fingers, including a thumb. And the shoe, I normally make them, as you can see, they're just like one big curve. All right, there's the holster for their gun right now. All right, and there's her thumb working on there. There you go, and her fingers. And she has gloves on. That's true. Yeah, let's get those gloves on. So the gloves with the fingers are coming through. Okay, we're finishing up on the leg there. Another little holster strapped around her leg there. Okay, there we go. The other part there, double-sided there. Okay, the belt there. Okay, this is the shoe right down the lower part. That's that straightforward one. And the other side pretty much mimic the other one, like a mirror image. All right, look, there we go. Let's get that sweeping down again. That top part there we go. Finishing up that leg. All right, getting the bottom one down there done. Get the top there. All right, little light sketches. And now, as you notice again, as I start in the very beginning, very light, and I'll come back. That's her little zipper there. Okay, and then I'll just go around and maybe just fine tune some stuff. Yeah, let's actually shade in her hair lightly so you can see some separation from her face and everything. Again, just quick little speed lines, as I just say, and just sketch them in. And there you go. Get their hair all in, just very light. I'm not pushing too hard on this one. So when I'm pushing it on there, sometimes you might see it, sometimes you don't, because it's very light. Just to separate. There, that looking good. I'm liking that. Anything else I can just see? Yeah, let's put a little horizon so she's not just floating in the air. All right. Yeah, let's get the little side of her sleeves a little bit more and work on the other one. There we go. That's better. All right, that looks good. As always, make sure you sign and date it. And thanks for watching this video, and you have a great day.